Propellers, they aren't just for aircraft anymore. With this handheld fan device, you can pretend to be a plane without having to leave the safety of the ground. Now available in 2 different sizes. You have no excuse not to get one. Go big or go home. Or have a tiny one, small enough to carry everywhere you go. The choice is yours. Our state-of-the-art design and manufacturing techniques optimize safety while providing you with the style you crave. The control device is sturdy and portable. Power is supplied by a high-octane battery that you can recharge once the fan runs out of fun. Don't say it isn't safe. The hybrid leather glove will provide all the protection you could possibly need. Nothing could go wrong here. Smooth, balanced, and yet unapologetically raw. This monster of a hand fan has so much power that its only limitation is your imagination. Ready to tackle all of your daily tasks, like using it to create gale force winds that cross-pollinate your plants. Or use it to dry wet surfaces to prevent slippage under intense situations. Whatever you choose to use it for, the hand fan will be ready to rock no matter what. Pick one up today. Hand fan is not an actual product and will never be available in stores. Usage of the hand fan will definitely result in bodily injury and harm. Hand fan should only be operated by reckless individuals that have the minimum regard for safety and well-being. Side effects of hand fan may include the feelings of happiness and joy, as well as the urge to float like a butterfly and sting like a bee. Consult your doctor before trying out hand fan for yourself. And remember, it's hand fan or no fan.